Did you know that the average American family uses more than 300 gallons of water at home every day? That's enough to fill a small swimming pool each year. A surprising amount of this water is wasted, and one of the biggest culprits lurks unnoticed in our bathrooms: the toilet. While we may not give it much thought, our toilets can be significant water wasters, silently driving up our water bills and impacting our environment. Many people are shocked to learn that toilets are the largest water users in our homes, accounting for nearly 30% of indoor water consumption. Older, inefficient toilets can waste thousands of gallons of precious water each year, a problem that is compounded across millions of households. Fortunately, simple changes and upgrades can significantly reduce water waste, saving money on our utility bills and protecting our planet's most vital resource. The consequences of toilet water waste extend beyond our environmental footprint. Our wallets take a hit as well. Every wasted gallon of water represents money down the drain, contributing to unnecessarily high water bills. While the cost may seem insignificant on a per-flush basis, it quickly adds up over time, especially in households with older, less efficient toilets. Fortunately, advancements in toilet technology have led to the development of high-efficiency models that use significantly less water per flush. These water-saving toilets can save homeowners hundreds of gallons of water each year, resulting in noticeable reductions in their monthly water bills. By investing in water-efficient appliances, we can conserve water and save money in the long run. The difference in water consumption between older and newer toilet models can be staggering. Traditional toilets, often referred to as water guzzlers, can use a whopping 3.5 to 7 gallons of water per flush. These older models typically rely on gravity to evacuate waste, resulting in inefficient water usage. In contrast, modern low-flow toilets have revolutionized water efficiency in the bathroom. These water sippers use as little as 1.25 gallons per flush, a significant reduction compared to their older counterparts. Dual flush toilets offer even greater flexibility, allowing users to choose between a low-volume flush for liquid waste and a higher volume flush for solid waste. By adopting these water-saving technologies, we can dramatically reduce our water footprint without sacrificing performance or convenience. The good news is that we can all take simple steps to reduce water waste in our bathrooms, starting with our toilets. One of the most effective measures is upgrading to a low-flow toilet. While the initial investment may seem daunting, the long-term water and cost savings far outweigh the upfront costs. In addition to upgrading our toilets, we can adopt water-saving habits to further reduce our water usage. Checking for and repairing leaks is crucial, as even a small leak can waste thousands of gallons of water per year. Being mindful of our flushing habits can also make a difference. Avoid using the toilet as a trash can and opt for low-volume flushes whenever possible. By embracing these simple yet impactful changes, we can collectively conserve water, reduce our environmental impact, and save money. Remember, every drop counts, and our collective efforts can make a significant difference in preserving our planet's most precious resource for generations to come.